Hello and welcome to Senturus Power BI Visualizations Intermediate. My name is Patrick Powers, trainer, data architect, and developer here at Senturus. This module is on additional visualization types. In this video, we will look at how to create visualizations beyond standard lines and bars. Visualizations should be appropriate for the end user. Not all users will want bar or line charts. Power BI offers different ways of showing data that will fit with your end user's needs. When building reports that require visual impact, a tree map provides an excellent choice. In this demo, we'll create a tree map for our sales by country broken out for each year. We will include data labels to make the visualization easier to read. We've got a blank report page, and from the visualization pane, we'll click on Tree Map to get ourselves started. Resize this to fit the canvas. From Dim Customer, add Country to the Group drop zone. From Dim Order Date, add Calendar Year to the Details drop zone. From Fact Internet Sales, add Sales Amount to the Values drop zone. Click on the Formatting pane, click on Tooltip, and set the type to Default. Click on the slider for data labels and turn them on. Now this is a straightforward visualization, but again, we've done it here for the visual impact. For our more analytical users, they would appreciate the detail that comes from a box plot. Let's create a box plot. We'll start a new page, and notice that there is no built-in box plot here in Power BI. What we're going to do is click on this Get More Visuals, and we'll get more visuals. In the search box, we'll put in Boxplot, and we'll go with this first one from MAQ Software. So we'll click on that, and we'll click Add. With this new visualization available, we'll click on its icon to add it to the page. Notice that it is below the standard visualizations. Resize it to fit your canvas. From Fact Internet Sales, add Sales Amount to the Value drop zone, and from Fact Internet Sales, add Profit to the Dot Size drop zone. Until we add items to our axes, the box plot stays empty. From Dim Customer, we're going to add Yearly Income to the Axis drop zone. This gives us a single box showing the profit and sales for each of the yearly incomes. If we hover over one, we'll see what it's currently representing. Let's see if this is dependent on or correlates to a customer's occupation. From Dim Customer, add Occupation to the Axis Category 1 drop zone. Here we can see our differences in size based on sales, income, and their occupation. Sometimes we have data that goes through stages or flows. This is most common when thinking about the stages of a sales process. For this type of data, a funnel is an excellent choice. We're going to add a new data source and represent the information in a funnel. Start out by adding a new report page, and then we'll come up here to Get Data, and we'll add Excel. We're going to use a file called Sales Pipeline, which contains some information about our sales and what phase they're currently in. We'll check the pipeline box and we'll load that data. We see our new data over here under Fields. We see the pipeline table, and we're going to add a funnel to our visualization canvas. Resize it, and from the Fields pane, take Phase to the Group, and take Number of Prospects to the Values. Click on the down arrow next to Number of Prospects and select Show Value as % of Grand Total. Take Number of Prospects a second time and drag it to Tooltips. That concludes this module where we saw how to create additional visualization types targeted for specific end users. In our next installment, we will look at how to link objects in our reports. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and check back for the next entry in the series. Thank you for watching.